Hello everyone, this is Manpreet, one of the team member of Smart Project Report Team 4, and here I'm going to explain about my part in this project. So first of all, I'm going to log in a project manager, and that's the project manager is Sherif again. So I'm logging in his portal, and you can see on the tasks on this bar, and this is done by collaborating me and Muhammad Ali Khan, and Muhammad Ali Khan explained his part and the rest of the parts that I did and I explained. So first of all, in the view assignment, you can see there are numerous assignments on the screen, and where we can see some actions here. So we can delete the assignment, we can edit the assignment, we can apply a request feedback for the task, and the request feedback is only possible when our progress is 100% done and before the due date. And in the view task, you can see we can create a report here. So in this we have two options: we can get the individual report as well as we can get the collaborator report. We can generate both. So on the get report, we can get the report individually. It is only possible when our report is done, and we can view the task from here, and you can see there are four different tasks by the different student. So we can get individually, and we can get the collective report of each member. So so on the every task or every assignment, you can see here. So these actions are work on every. And next I'm going to is a view task that I'm going to explain. And in this we can view task that is done, and here we can count our progress, that how much is done work done by each and every student. And you can see the due date here, and the assignment due date and task due date. So basically you can see the notification bar here. So on the notification bar, you can see the notifications that the Sheriff Gun assigned a task because he is a project manager, and Muhammad Ali and rest all are the students. So Sheriff Gun apply the task to the assign the task to the students, and you can get every notification here. And here is a logout option, and you so this is a navigation bar that I designed. And in this I designed navigation bar in the language HTML, where the components is head and nav bar. And usually I write a code once in a component, and then I use this code in a different coding bars. So so there is no mean to write the code again and again. So this is designed for the nav bar. You can see the coding for the nav bar is here. So this is a nav bar coding, and this is a header recording. So this, and next I'm going to in the student login portal. So that is Muhammad Ali Khan, because Muhammad Ali Khan is a student here. I'm going to explain in his so I'm logging successfully in the Muhammad Ali Khan's task. And then you can see the in his task, you can see the view task here. And so basically in the student task bar, you can request feedback to the manager, not to the lecturer, because it is only possible to get the feedback from the lecturer is only by the project manager, not not by the student can only get the feedback from the manager. And you can see the close task here on, and you can see the progress, task due date, and each and everything. And so the most now I'm going to explain. You can go in the edit profile here, so where you can edit anything if you need, but I think so there is no need to change anything. So I save it, I logged off again. And then so Here are some screens that I take a screenshot and get approval from the Shrikant, who is our client, and I show all the screens to the Shrikant here. So you can see on the screen there is upload assignment, view assignment. I designed the screen and then get approval from the Shrikant, and when he says that it is approved, then we put in the as a dash window. So here are the screens, and okay. So there are lecturer screens here, and that is here. These are the lecturer screens. So similarly all this create and then take the approval from the client. And next I'm going to explain the student screens here. So these are some student screens. Similarly, these are also designed before the project and then show to the client. So this is task number, feedback, grades. This can show grades like this on the screen on the smart report. And this is the uh, client feedback. So this is a client feedback. He can edit and delete his feedback and submit for the projects. And these are the projects that this deadline, everything is shown on the screen. So these are the screens that I designed for the project. And the next my part is also for the testing as well, and I did tests for each and every task that we done. And when we get so you can see here are the test case that designed by me, Manpreet, and you can see the test case US01 and user stories. So lecturer can log in the dashboard with his credential. So this is a pass. If it is a fail, so I can, so the manager basically, or me, I can means I can tell to the other student or my partners that this is a fail, we have to design it again. And expected results and actual results. So the website allow the lecturer to log in. So these are expected results, and the actual results are the lecturer can log in and check his dashboard. So these are the test case. And another test case I'm going to explain here. The lecturer can navigate the menu bar and create a new project. Set deadline for the student, and his expected results are a new project is created and the deadline is set. And in the actual result we got here, the lecturer can create the project and set the deadline, and this was also pass. So then similarly these all are the test cases that I did in this. So the lecturer select the name of the student he want to be in a team and assign one of them the task and of being a project manager, and some preconditions. Here on another test case, as a lecturer I want to send an invitation to the invitation link to the student. So this is also pass. So this we did on the final project, that our link is passed when we send the email to every student to invite, and the email was sent to every student and it is successfully done. So this is a project work that I did in this. And so I'm going again in the project manager portal. So you can see here the test cases and the coding, everything is perfectly work in this project. And so these are the members that work on this assignment. So Sherif again is a manager and the rest of all the members are student, and this is assignment name that we done. So basically this is our project, and we individually work explained in this